CPA Financial Accounting and Reporting, FAR Study Guide, 2026. Features, Benefits, and Power Guarantee. If CPA FAR feels like the make or break section of the CPA exam, you're not imagining it. FAR is where candidates burn out. Too many standards, too many details, too many rules, and not enough structure. Most people don't fail FAR because they're not smart. They fail because they're overwhelmed, inconsistent, and studying without a system. CPA FAR Study Guide 2026 by Zain Academy is built to solve that. What you get: features built for real CPA candidates. This is not a light summary. It's a full prep system designed to make FAR feel organized, learnable, and repeatable. 665 key learning outcomes, so you don't miss what actually matters. 918 questioning mind study points to build exam-level understanding, not just reading. 253 practical examples, because FAR becomes easy only when it becomes real. 252 memory aids and mnemonics to remember rules under pressure. 261 formulas and equations in one integrated place. 1,125 true-false, plus 1,125 fill-in-the-blanks, plus 1,125 one-word questions to drill recall fast. 245 matching questions to strengthen concepts and connections. 159 mind maps to see FAR as a system, not scattered topics. Dedicated CPA exam guide section, tips, tricks, and strategy for passing confidently, and it's delivered in an integrated printable PDF, optimized for all screen sizes with lifetime access and no device restrictions. Study on mobile, tablet, laptop, anywhere. What it does for you: benefits, the real transformation. It turns confusion into clarity. Instead of "where do I even start?" you get a structured roadmap that makes FAR feel like a set of manageable steps. It helps you study consistently without burnout. You already know the commitment: 3 hours daily plus 6 hours on weekends for 3 months. The hardest part isn't time, it's staying consistent. This guide is designed to keep you moving forward because it's easy to follow and easy to revise. It trains recall plus application. The FAR scoring difference. FAR isn't about reading. It's about retrieving and applying under time pressure. The mix of outcomes, questioning points, examples, memory aids, formulas, and rapid-fire question formats creates daily exam brain training. It saves you expensive coaching time and money. You're not paying for repeated lectures or endless classes. You get a system you can reuse again and again, plus guidance so you don't feel alone. The pain points CPA candidates face and how this solves them. I study but I forget everything. Memory aids, mnemonics, mind maps, and one-word drills help lock topics in fast. FAR feels too vast. I don't know what's important. Key learning outcomes plus questioning mind points keep your focus on what the exam actually tests. I can't convert study time into exam performance. True, false, fill in the blanks, matching, and practical examples help convert knowledge into speed and accuracy. I don't have anyone to guide me when I get stuck. You get complimentary WhatsApp plus email support until you pass. Ask as many questions as you want. Power Guarantee. Confidence plus support you can feel. Most candidates don't need motivation. They need certainty. The feeling that if they put in the work, they won't be left guessing. That's what Zain Academy stands for. Complimentary support and guidance until you pass. Lifetime access. No time limit, no device restriction. A preparation system designed for confidence, consistency, and a strong result. Power Guarantee Promise. When you commit to the recommended schedule and follow the guide properly, you won't just hope to pass. You'll walk into the exam with a calm, prepared mind and a clear strategy. Want to multiply your results? Pair it with CPA FAR Exam Questions 2026. If you want full exam readiness, your next step is practice depth. CPA FAR Exam Questions 2026 includes 1,500 MCQs with explanations for all answer choices, 60 document review simulations, DRS, 60 task-based simulations, TBS. This is how candidates build speed, judgment, and exam temperament, especially for simulation-heavy sections. Learning support. Beyond the PDF, CPA FAR learning videos on YouTube, so concepts stick emotionally and mentally, not temporarily. CPA FAR learning articles via WhatsApp channel. Quick reinforcement that fits into real life. saves you time, money, and the stress of attending long classes. Why candidates should buy this? Emotional, honest answer. Because you're not just buying a PDF, you're buying relief. You're buying a plan that makes FAR stop feeling like an endless mountain. You're buying a system that takes you from "I'm trying" to "I'm progressing." "I'm scared of FAR" to "I can handle this." "I keep restarting" to "I'm finishing what I started." And most importantly, you're buying support. So even when you feel stuck, you're not studying alone.